This tutorial explains how to create new ticket add-ons and apply them to an event. You will learn to configure add-ons, set limits, and associate them with your event tickets for enhanced guest options. Click the Publish button. Click the Events tab to access your event listings and management options. Click here to view event feature options. Click Manage Ticket Add-ons to start creating and editing add-ons for your tickets. Click Create an add-on to begin defining a new ticket add-on for your event. Enter your add-on group name to identify this group of add-ons. Configure the min and max options for the add-on group. Set min above 0 if you want to make a selection in the add-on group required. Click Add Add-on to create a specific add-on item within the group. Enter a name for the add-on. If needed, you can add a description. Enter the price for the add-on. Click Done to finish adding the current add-on item. Click Create Add-on Group to publish your add-on group. Now we'll head back to the list of add-ons where we'll see our new group. Now that we've confirmed it's here, let's go create an event to attach this add-on to. Click Create an Event to begin setting up a new event in the platform. Click the Event Title field to enter the name of your new event. Click here to open the date picker for scheduling your event. Toggle this slider to turn your event into a ticketed event. Now let's give the ticket type a name. Give this ticket a price. Give the ticket a description so guests have additional details about the ticket. Set the starting quantity of this ticket. As tickets sell, this value will decrease. Select the applicable taxes for the ticket. Now we're going to attach the add-on group we just created to this ticket. Once the list pops up, we'll just check off the add-on groups we want attached to our ticket. Click Done to finalize the ticket. Click Go Live to publish your event and make it available for ticket sales. At the top of the event details, you'll see icons for a link and for a QR code. If you click on the link, it will save the link to your event into your clipboard. Then you can paste it into your browser's address bar to view the event. Click Purchase to begin the ticket buying process for the event. Select the add-ons to add to your ticket purchase. Select the ticket quantity and add to bag. You have successfully created ticket add-ons, configured their quantities and prices, and applied them to your event tickets. Your event is now live with add-ons available for purchase, enhancing the guest experience and offering additional options during ticket sales.